gate. They're all set. Bunny the boxes. Ready. Racing, Miss Bowie come out okay. Super Income was showing pace now. Miss Bowie gets wound up and takes over down the outside. Moving forward in the centre was Five Dragons with some pace further back behind them. Mavericki Penno dropping out of the tail there. Royal Blend round the corner. That one, this one's off and gone. Miss Bowie going nicely. Second will go to Super Income. Then come in Five Dragons. Behind them was Mavericki Penno, followed by Royal Blend. And the last one in was La Union. Winner number 8, Miss Bowie, by Hurricane Luke out of NSC, owned by Sue Thorncraft, trained by Lynn Maney of Wimbledon. 17.56 the run, good run on this track. Second number 2, Super Income, Superman Katie Max, Sam Simonetta Londonderry, and third of the 4, Five Dragons. Disintegrate Streets later for Charlie Gadd of Catherine Fields. 8.243, 5.5 by 2 1/4. 17.56 the time.